Yes, be ready. Start. The people of India have learned that when it comes to understanding today's situation, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's actions speak far louder than his words stop. His statements, when he is not venting anger on the opposition or blaming past leaders for today's ills, either ignore the most pressing vital issues of the day or are platitudes and verbal gymnastics to gloss over or distract from these issues. Stop. His actions, on the other hand, leave little to the imagination on the government's true intentions. Stop. New para. Over the past months, we have witnessed the Prime Minister and his government systematically dismantling all three pillars of India's democracy: the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary, with their actions demonstrating a deep rooted disdain for democracy and democratic accountability. Stop. Consider first recent goings on in Parliament. Stop. In the last session, we saw a government led strategy to disrupt Parliament and prevent the opposition from raising issues of grave concern to the country and its people, such as unemployment, inflation, and social divisions, and discussing the year's budget and the Adani scam, among other vital issues. Stop. Faced with a determined opposition, the Narendra Modi government resorted to unprecedented measures, expunging speeches, preventing discussion, attacking members of parliament, and finally disqualifying a Congress member of parliament at lightning speed. Stop. As a result, the budget of 45 lakh crore of rupees of people's money was passed without any debate. Stop. In fact, the Prime Minister was busy inaugurating projects in his constituency with widespread media coverage when the finance bill was rammed through the Lok Sabha. Stop. New para. The Narendra Modi government's misuse of the Central Bureau of Investigation and the Enforcement Directorate is well known, with over 95% of political cases filed only against the opposition parties and cases against those who joined the Bharatiya Janata Party miraculously evaporating. Stop. The misuse of laws meant for national security against journalists, activists, and reputed think tanks has been unprecedented. Stop. The Prime Minister makes grandiose statements about truth and justice, even as allegations of the financial fraud against the Prime Minister's chosen businessmen are ignored. Interpol withdraws a notice against the fugitive Mehul Choksi and the convicted rapists of Bilkis Bano are set free and go on to share a stage with BJP leaders. Stop.